Labang nga, no? Hindi pa ata.
May lupit yung patahan mo.
Wait, story yun.
Oo, mabuti pumasok. Kapasa mo. Yan eh. May pagkakataon, shoot.
Interesting how the Bucks got away from Lopez defending Bam. It's been Giannis since the second half started to defend Bam, but 31 for Adebayo. Big time.
Adebayo.
Jumper there. Back in Giannis off.
Adebayo.
Mag-drive mo, siguro-sigurado, parang matakil.
Bam has all four of the Heat's points here in overtime. 31 points on the night. His seventh game this year over 30. This is the fast break game here. Miami able to beat the Bucks on the floor, give and go action, and then here's the face-up jumper with Bam operating one-on-one against Giannis. No Russian picked up the last heat foul.
Foul yun ah.
6 on the shot clock. Giannis is going to
Yun!
Lopez.
Patay.
Yun.
no, Porter Jr. gets the offensive rebound.
Yan o, mga ganda ng mga, ano yan o.
Porter Jr.
Yan?
Porter Jr. din.
Ganda nga mga, ano, mga duwid eh.
2:20 left in overtime.
Ulo na. Ulo lang back. Patay, pinapalo mo Adebayo. Patay, kaibigan.
Weltra. Si Weltra yun.
Pasa! Huwag ka muna mag-tweet kaya walang kasulto ngayon yan. Yan.
Takla. Offensive foul, no?
Oh, Doc Rivers can't believe it.
Patay, oh.
We're going to review this right here. Doc Rivers pulled time out and charged and felt like Giannis did not push off. That was what the call was with his right arm there as he was going left.
Ba't nasa offensive yun? Eh, ano nga? Si Challenge nga. Pero play.
Teka na. Ayan.
Yan o.
Watch the right hand here as he gets down the hill.
Hinahawakan na siya o.
Kaya nga eh. Ayun.
Paano?
Umarte, no?
Hindi yan offensive.
Umarte, hinahawakan nga siya. Dapat foul na eh.
Foul yun eh.
Di ba? Dapat foul na eh. Hindi pa lang rubakan yan. Hinahawakan yung diko niya.
Sabi ito Rutero yun.
Yan ang foul. Ayan o. Foul na o. Foul na yan o. Tapos doon lang inano o. Gago talaga o. Binigyan ka
Marte lang. Hindi naman kawa ng siko eh.
Binigyan ka. Umarte na Marte, no?
Dapat jambol.
Mitchell made the first contact. And we're not exactly sure what
si Mitchell eh, no?
but if it blew on the second
Paano
contact,
nito nga ba ito
look
eh?
at that and see what
Giannis
make the first
Antetokounmpo.
contact and change the call to that. So that's the risk you take.
Ayan o. Ayan o.
Yan ang foul.
Yun ang foul dapat o. O. Tangina, nabigyan ka tuloy ng ano. O.
Here comes the call.
O, ano na.
This game tied at 1:15 with a
Jambol.
minute left in overtime.
Rep, desisyon.
Carlin's going to take to the mound.
The first illegal contact on a play was missed. So this is a successful challenge.
Successful.
Milwaukee will retain their timeout and the ability to challenge.
Yun, tinaburan si Giannis.
14 seconds on the shot clock. Start out.
Tinaburan.
So you want to keep it concise with the for the whole team. The longer you talk
Yan,
to
walang
them,
foul yun.
Ayan o.
Yan, dapat yan ang foul yun.
Yun, umarte lang siya.
Hinarangan niya.
Oo.
Yan sa'yo, Antetokounmpo eh.
O yan, sige. Panalunin na yan. Table yan o. Tres.
Sige, may mo kay Porter Jr. Ano na, number 2 eh.
14 seconds on the shot clock for the Bucks. He is stopped and a rebound.
Oy! Putang ina, yun lang oh. Naagaw pa.
And it's 50 left in overtime.
Ay.
Oh, depensa, depensa!
What a game.
Yan.
Davion
Eh, Mitchell yan, artista yan eh. Uy, huli! Putang na yun oh. Porter Jr. Yale! Wasak, putang ina. Winasak sila na yan.
Hindi sinabahan lang eh.
Wasak.
Nakano eh.
Basag sila ron.
Ay, na kayo. O, dipinsa na. O, mura ako.
Nagkamali sila ron. Oh!
And that's going to be a kick. Shot clock will go from 8 to 4
Wala,
seconds.
nagalit yan.
Kiking, kiking.
Turnover here.
Ayan oh, putang ina, ganda oh.
Allows the fast break.
Porter Jr. Pasa! Putang. Bag!
Sabi ko na sa'yo eh.
Top of the basket.
Antetokounmpo.
With a spin step.
Eh, si Kabayan oh.
Duncan Robinson.
Kabayan, si Eric Buelstra.
A minute 16 left in
Oh,
overtime.
Sandya.
Oh, depensa, depensa. Adebayo.
Oh,
Depensa, oh! Wala! Oh, tang ina, patay na.
tumalo siya. Gusto ko po. Pasa, pasa.
Yari na kayo dyan.
Kailangan makasot ka dyan. Yun!
Ah! Wow, Lopez! Putang ina. Anderson, oh.
Ay, mag-over tayo na naman.
Anderson. Uy! Wah! Lopez! Putang ina. Wah! Puta, sinapig ni Antetokounmpo. Nakuha ni Porter Jr.
Swerte si Porto na.
Oo.
Yan na.
Hawak bola. Sayang oras.
Oo.
Oh, easy, easy. Labas. Screen. Tira.
Ay!
Putang ina niyan. Lakas si Porter, oh. Tang ina, naghahamon na, oh.
Wala, talo.
Porter Jr.
Uganda pala mukha na.
Torian Press, oh. Magkakamukha si mga Ugandan, eh. Ayan, oh.
Uganda. Ayun,
Ayun, oh, putang ina, lumusot, oh. Pak. Putang ganda.
Paano yun ah? Wala mo
Walang putang ina, eh. Kaya bang home court yan? Miami Heat.
Nagalit si Kabayan, no?
Home court ng Florida, ng Miami.
Oo, Miami. O yan, walang foul yun.
Putang inang galing, oh.
Putang ina, sinamahan si Bar. Foul dapat yun eh.
Ikot, oh. Big time player, no? Porter Jr. Tang ina, kinaliwa.
Foul yun ah.
Kinaliwa pala.
Tama dito,
Oo. Kalbo si Anderson doon, oh.
Uganda, no?
Green. Ay, magkamukha sila, oh. Tribu.
Talo na Miami. Pinsinan.
Tang ina, yari. Yan na yan. 5, 4 na puntos ang lamang, oh.
Pag-3 naman.
Tatalunin kayo sa home court. Eric Buelstra.
Pag-nag-quit ng tupod, pag kayo pa-foul, baka manilag ka pa eh.
Adebayo, oh.
For Kevin Porter Jr., just his 4th game this year.